Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to hide following list on Instagram from your friends. So sometimes we want to keep our things private, right? So to do that, let's head over to our Instagram application. So once you are in your Instagram, make sure you've logged in into your desired account and then head over to your profile by tapping the profile icon in the lower right corner. And from here, you have to go for the three lines icon on the top right. And in here, scroll down until you see the option of account privacy under who can see your content section. So here, if as you can see, it is written that when your account is private, only the followers that you approve can see or share, including your photos and video and hashtag on location pages and your followers and following lists. Certain info on your profile, such as your profile picture and username, is visible to everyone on and off Instagram. So what we need to do is to make our account private, and after that go to scroll down and here go to help, and here go to help center. In here you have to search for your problem that you want to hide your following list, and then Instagram will give you the um solve of it. Hope this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next video.